Good morning and namaste to each and everyone. We started this year with lots of enthusiasm in last January, and after that, from March, everything got totally jeopardized. All the plans need to be changed because of COVID. And we also didn't know how exactly to do things. But day by day, with the incoming information, we were trying to do our best for our children in Chitrakuta. About academics or about health, we have taken care a lot. We started online learning, and slowly we understood that a training is very much needed health-wise also if we want to take care of our children in offline sessions. Accordingly, under the CBSE guidelines, we have got trained and we prepared 9 to 10 people from our school who are COVID warrior and successfully got trained under the guidelines of WHO. To fulfill all the requirements, we have made several changes in our school and all the precautionary measurements have been taken. With lots of enthusiasm and motivation, we have opened our offline school. From 4 January, we started our offline school with different bubble system and with all other rules and regulations keeping in mind. Children are coming in alternative days and children are coming in small groups, exactly the way it was asked us to follow. Under that rules and regulation itself, we were asked to make each and every person the COVID tested. And 2 days last week, we got each and everybody present in school COVID test done. Though we are very positive in Chitrakuta, all the reports are negative. We are so happy that not only the teachers, the COVID team, even our children are really cooperating with us to maintain the social distancing and all our other rules and regulations which needs to be followed. We thank all our parents who have supported us in this endeavor during tough time. We are all waiting for the vaccine. We are all getting used to more of blended learning. But moreover, we are all willing to bring a change during this tough time. Till now, the success is there with God's grace, and we will follow more and more rules and regulation to go ahead to fight back this situation, and we'll wait for the vaccine to come. Once more, congratulations to the COVID team who are working relentlessly in school to take care of our children. Thank you to our parents. Thank you to all the staffs of Chitrakuta who are taking care of each and every rules and regulations done by WHO. Thank you.